Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to InstaForex Economic News TV channel with us, Anna Kasatkina.
And Takhmina Salomova.
You are watching the currency and commodity market review for the last week.
So what changes took place in the foreign exchange market throughout last week?
The US dollar went up against the basket of major currencies.
And what triggered the purchases?
The US dollar rallied on Friday to a 19-month high against a basket of currencies as investors preferred the safe reserve currency in the wake of political and economic concerns outside the United States. The Euro weekend as the Eurozone economy showed more signs of a slowdown. The Euro was down by 0.5% at 1.1296 after German data showed private sector expansion slowed to a 4-year low in December. French business activity unexpectedly contracted, further fanning fears about slowing growth in the euro area. Sterling tumbled as uncertainty whether British Prime Minister Theresa May could convince the British Parliament to approve her Brexit deal worried traders. The pound lost over 1.5% on the week, closing at 1.2584 last Friday. In cryptocurrency world, Bitcoin slid to yet another 15-month low on Friday. After a quiet morning, cryptocurrency prices fell early afternoon and Bitcoin traded at $3,160.10, its lowest level since last September 15, 2017, and 5% from the psychologically important $3,000 mark. That was all about the current tendencies on Forex and what trends prevailed in the commodity market last week.
Crude oil prices got hammered last week by worries that the ongoing US-China trade dispute will drag on global growth and, by extension, erode energy demand. WTI crude futures tumbled by 2.6% on Friday to settle at $51.20 a barrel. For the week, WTI prices lost about 2.7%. Brent crude futures for February delivery sank by 1.9% to end at $60.28 a barrel. It fell by about 2.2% for the week. Weaker than expected Chinese economic data alerted investors on Friday, but failed to provide a lift for gold thanks to a stronger dollar. Gold for February delivery on COMEX lost $6 to settle at $1,241.40 an ounce, the lowest finish since December the 3rd. It ended down by 0.9% for the week. The US dollar index hit its highest level since May 2017 at 97.711. The appetite for the dollar increased in the aftermath of upbeat data on US retail sales and industrial output. However, the dollar's gains were limited by bets the Federal Reserve might reduce the number of interest rate hikes. The greenback was also held back by the probability of a partial government shutdown as US President Donald Trump and federal lawmakers disagree over funding for a border wall.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market review. You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on InstaForex TV.
It was presented to you by us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.